After years of eating the wrong kind of foods, our guts can become permeable, a bit like a leaky sieve, in that it lets bad things, pathogens through to our system and can make us ill. So one of the things I like to do right at the beginning of a relationship with a client is to try and repair that damage. And one of the things that we use to do that is to make bone broth, homemade bone broth. And it's very simple and straightforward to do. And I'm going to walk you through a few steps today, and then we'll cut through to the end of the process over the next few seconds, and you can see how I do it. So the first thing to do is to start with some beef bones. I'm using grass-fed organic beef bones, little bits of neck and ribs, and a nice bit of marrow leg. And I've got 2 litres of filter water. I filter my water just to make sure there's no nasties in it. Fill it up to the maximum line. There we go. Shove that down. I should make 2 or 3 litres of bone broth. The next thing I do is wipe my hands. And then I'm just going to add in some herbs and spices. So I've got nutmeg, coriander, cumin, teaspoon of each, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of chilli. Straight in. And I've got some fresh garlic, some fresh rosemary, some dried bay leaves, a couple of cloves and some star anise. And go in. And then you can use apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. I'm just going to put a little bit of a glug in here, maybe a tablespoon. Okay. And then I'm going to put the lid on and set it for 12 hours. And we'll see what it's like in 12 hours time, and then we'll put it on for another 12 hours after that.